I take it then that you have learned that not everybody who invites you out to eat is to be followed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do any of you know my name?
Dopey.
This one is bright, really bright. And you don't believe in duppies, right? Unless it come between a sandwich. Okay, ladies, she'll be in touch. This duppy will not be seen again.
Be in touch.
What? Good.
Bye, ladies. We keep in touch.
I'd like to congratulate you on a job well done. You even managed to utilize Savage without too much trouble. You're getting good, man.
Sir, with your permission, I'd like to start an outreach program for, young ladies that are at risk.
Fine. But whilst you're reaching out, don't reach past your cover.
Understood, sir.
So, when you can dance?
Yeah, man, we can dance.
That get we night.
Well, you know, for now, I have to learn from Krista. And she not take care.
Say you sure about that? No me rescue you.
Chris! Krista! Come have a seat. I don't understand it. Big sleeper. Licking out people rocks too. Bad. Boasting about it. And all you can drink is orange juice. Don't tell me your head light.
Sir, I'm not a drinker.
Well, that's good. Let me commend you both on a job well done. That's good news. However, I have bad news. You and I need to talk.
You made it.
Yeah, man.
It's a savage.
Team. So, what was it?
You like turning up late, don't it? So you can get reports. It went well. Two of them still traumatized.
Well, me offer to do some dance class with them, for cheer them up.
Well, that is a good idea. Not true.
Yes, Savage. It's a great idea.
Well, you requested that I show up, and I did. So I've done my part. Time for me to go.
Not so fast. You not leave so quick. We're gonna buy a drink in at the bar. You are gonna buy the drink. Let's go.
Two of them just alike.
I wonder where I'm going. Didn't get on the brain.
Whisper, Tony.